Hello guys and welcome to another video. In today's video I want to talk a little bit about Twitch emotes, to be more precise, what makes a great Twitch emote, in my opinion. So every live streamer gets to the point where they have to think about their own emotes, and it can be a tough process to find the right emotes that fits your personality, that tell a story, and that are just fun to use. So I won't have the ultimate answer to all your questions in this video, unfortunately, but I can give you a few inputs that might help you on your journey in finalizing your own emotes. So basically, I can give you a few questions that you can ask yourself. Let's hop straight into it. Question number 1. What games do you mostly play? Question 2. Do you have a name for your own community? Question 3. Do you maybe have a channel overall theme? Question 4. Are there any catchphrases you maybe use on a frequent basis in your streams? So those are just 4 questions that you can use to kind of find your own identity and to find emotes that fit your personality, that fit your channel theme, that fit your community. I am a streamer on twitch.tv. You can check me out there, twitch.tv/legion_of_loom. My emotes, they all have a certain background. They all tell a story. For example, we have the Simba hype emote and the Simba GG. And Simba kinda became our cute channel mascot, and it just happened naturally while we were having fun in the game I usually stream, which is Age of Empires. Beautiful game, I can recommend. And where we had hype moments with in-game lions that we really hyped up during our casting of the games and playing of the games. So it kind of became a natural thing to have the Simba hype and the Simba GG. So this is a good example for a natural creation of a channel emote/mascot. I swear Simba got a kill. I swear he got a kill. And he is still alive. No single fuck given. Look at that. Simba GG. Simba GG. In the middle of a heated battle of knights and camels and whatnot. So this is one way of creating something unique for your channel. Another thing you can do is to think about certain situations where your community could use emotes. For example, I'm a more energetic kind of streamer, so it was a natural process to get a hype emote for the channel. Hype it fucking up. We got a full pack AoE weekend in front of us, okay? Freaky Friday, and we're gonna transition into tournament shenanigans tomorrow. Come on. I'm hyped. So I want to see the hype. To also give you a few don'ts. So obviously, guys, don't copy other streamers' emotes. That is a big no-no. I think that goes without saying, right? And obviously don't break the TOS. And don't create overly complicated emotes that are hard to understand. And don't create unreadable words in your emotes. Keep it simple, keep it straightforward, make it easy for people to read and to understand. And if you are not a talented artist who can design their own emotes, there's really no shame in hiring a skilled artist. There's so many great artists out there that you can just pay and have your own custom-made emotes. Alright, I guess this is it for today. So to summarize today's video, reflect on your personality, on your channel style, on the gaming niche you're focusing on, and you will create wonderful emotes naturally. Thank you so much for watching, and consider subbing this channel for more content in the future, and leave me a follow on my Twitch channel to catch me live. With that being said, Lumi out. But we are getting close to the 69, guys. I need to get my glasses on because I'm a hipster boy, okay? And I laugh way too much at 69. No regrets, though. Alrighty, 68, guys. 68, get ready. The villager is queued up. Seabass, you better not kill any villagers. Stop it. Come on. 69! Yeah!